peaceful morning at the lake. Little did we know that the day would take an unexpected turn in our garden. Remember this sweet chicken from our last video? Not long after, while we were inside warming up, something happened that reminded us how fragile life can be. He was attacked by a hunting dog. Normally they let you know before they go out. This time, we weren't informed. We saw the dog too late, and if Dirk hadn't been inside, things could have ended very differently. We buried him under a young apple tree. It was sad, and it shouldn't have happened. If only we had known. But life sometimes reminds us to pay attention, to be present, and to be grateful for the little protections we often take for granted. From quiet moments in the garden to the first snow falling outside, ready for a new adventure. Sneeuw! The first snowfall didn't last long, but it was just enough to turn the morning into something special. Logan rushed outside, bundled up and curious, discovering the soft crunch beneath his feet for the very first time. Moments like these makes you slow down, even if it's only just for a minute, just to take it all in. And honestly, it was probably a good thing that the snow disappeared as quickly as it came, because winter waits for no one. And we were definitely not finished preparing. There was still so much to do. The kale in the garden was holding on to its last bits of green, and we had to harvest it before the real frost arrived. The young fruit trees needed wrapping, one by one protecting them from the long, cold season ahead. And Dirk followed us everywhere, checking every corner of the garden, as if he had his own list of winter tasks to complete. And Logan, well, he turned every chore into a tiny adventure.
Nog een keer. Jongen, kerel. Dikkie klaar. Dirk, kom hier. Main character vibes. Ja. Hè? Ja. Ja, klaar. Zitten. Dirk. Zitten. Klaar.
Papa.
Ja, ze piemel.
Pa.
Oh, Dirk zegt piepie. Ja, we doen even de clickbait doen.
Between it all, we sent a drone up for a quick look from above, just to see how our little piece of land was shifting into winter mode. Before the next snowfall, we wanted the chicken coop sealed and warm. So we closed off the whole window, making sure our chickens would stay safe and cozy when the real winter settles in. And honestly, it still feels a little surreal sometimes. Back in the Netherlands, we never had to think about wrapping trees, checking roofs, sealing doors, or preparing the garden for months of snow and minus 20 degrees. But here, it's part of the rhythm, part of building a life that works with the seasons instead of against them. And we're curious. Do you also prepare your garden or animals for winter? Or is this whole winterizing thing as new for you as it once was for us? And with that last job crossed off the list, it finally felt good. Everything is ready for winter. The coop is sealed, the trees are wrapped, the last harvest is in, just in time before the snow started to fall again. And now we really can enjoy winter. Oh. Nee. Ja, daar zit het lipje. Ja.
Ken je dat filmpje van die hardlopers in de straatinterview?
Ja, zeker. Dat ga je nu ook krijgen.
Ja.
Babe, succes! But luckily Niels stayed on his feet this time. And while Niels is off running, I'm getting my workout in a slightly different way. Chasing Dirk and playing in the snow. Dirk is completely obsessed with it. No matter how cold his paws get or how chilly the wind feels, he doesn't want to go inside. As long as there's snow to dig in, roll around and explore. Every time we try to call him back, he gives us that look. Like, why would I ever leave this winter wonderland? And so the day winds down. The garden quiets. The last light falls softly over the trees. And snow sparkles in the corners of the yard. It's moments like these that remind us how lucky we are to have this space, this life, and each other. Sometimes life moves fast, seasons change, and things don't always go as planned. But there's beauty in the rhythm of it all, in the small victories, quiet mornings, and the joy of simple moments. So wherever you are, whatever your season, take a moment to notice the little things. There's always a reason to pause, to be grateful, and to look forward to what's next. Here's to the winter ahead. New adventures and fresh beginnings.